Hello guys, yeah, this is a surprise for you, man. You think you are watching porno, but for sure it is not porn sex. But here what I want to know to see is just getting more subscribers and views, and I want to be monetized on my YouTube channel. You are saying that I'm crazy? Do you think I'm crazy? Yes, of course I'm crazy, because I brought you here to watch my video, but you like crazy things, man. If you are a creator, it is nice for you to use this strategy of me to fake people. Alright, I like so much. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish you could share it to other people to watch the more. But for sure, I don't like to watch porn sex movies. Actually, it is a technique of mine which I'm going to hack and use and test the results. I want 1 million views on my YouTube channel. Please share it if you like it. It's nice, and I want to be monetized and make some money. Thank you very much. Good night. I'm stripping, man.